Let me see if we can get a sound though. Not moving very fast. Alright guys, welcome back to another video today. So me and Michael were going out to get another truck. My little S10 and the motor finally gave out on me, so traded it off for another truck. It needs a little bit of work too.
He's always getting me into something that I don't know what we're doing. It's always last minute. Meet me here and pick his trailer up.
Yeah. See, that's what you got friends for. They don't even ask questions, they just come.
Just show up.
Oh god. So we're gonna get this truck, get it loaded up. We got a car dolly with us. Hopefully everything goes good. We'll try to film as much as we can. So we'll pick you guys back up. Just keep going. Alright guys, you see we just got her loaded up. It didn't take us too long. We didn't have any trouble. The battery was dead, so we just ended up shoving it on there. Show me muscles.
It's always a Dodge hauling a Chevy. You think you get smart and finally buy a Chevy.
Hey, get smart and buy a Chevy?
I mean,
That's what I did.
Get smart and buy a Dodge, I mean.
See, deep down, he knows what a good truck is.
Yeah, maybe a Nissan or Suzuki truck.
Toyota. But anyway, we like I said, we got it loaded up. We'll take it home. Maybe do a little project.
I might take out the neighbor's fence if your hand don't get out of the way.
Let's see.
They're from a mirror.
Y'all can see we got the truck loaded up back here on the car dolly. As long as we make it with his driving, we'll be good. Alright, we'll just give you a little walk around the truck. Got it hauled back home. Ain't the prettiest thing in the world. We don't know if we're going to send it, if we're going to fix it.
It's going to be our grass cutting truck.
Well, you hear him, a grass cutting truck. It ain't too bad. It's got little scratches. Ain't rusted at all. What the heck is that? What are you doing?
We got to put new fender flares on it anyway.
My God.
Broke.
Look what you done. Okay, that's it all. Good. Look what he's done. Sir.
You told me to get it off so we can put new ones on it.
I give $7,000 for his truck. You want to tear it up?
Well, y'all were paid by about $6.99 night.
9. God. Oh God. 9.
I'm trying to change batteries out of this thing, but if you give me a little something better than these to work with, I can do something. Everything you got up on this hill and you ain't got a little better tools to work with.
Everything owns junk.
Well, because you own Chevys.
Too smart to buy a Dodge, I guess. Yep, so we'll get his battery changed out, so we'll let you guys hear it, how it runs. I don't know if you can see here, this thing has a clip right around the air breather, and it's missing the clip, so it kind of wants to backfire and stuff every once in a while. But like I said, there's a clip there, and there's a nut back here, right there. You can see it's supposed to hold it down a little better. So it pops and cracks a little bit, but when you hold it down, it don't do anything. But
it's like every other Chevy I've heard, junk.
Freak you. So we're gonna sit here and watch him work for a little bit.
Can I have his battery? I can take it to the recycling station.
No, I can charge. It just needs charge.
$10 out of it.
$10 for a $100 battery. That's a Napa battery. Look at it.
You ain't supposed to have them on concrete or blacktop.
Well, there it is right there. We're gonna get this changed out before we get in the flight, and we'll get you guys back in a minute. All right, we got her running. That sounds good, don't it?
Dakota?
Yeah.
I gotta get her and hold the intake on.
Give him a little loop. Show him how to do it.
Well, I can't see nothing.
Hold on.
Where you me go?
Too big a loop. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm gonna fix this little truck. It's just got little issues. thing's in limp mode or something. You hear the cam in it?
I ain't limp mode, but this is a cam.
Let me see if we can get a sound though. Not moving very fast.
Oh, damn, just took off myself.
Does it need to push? Give some gas. I'll push.
My leg.
Hey, go turn over right on the other side of the trailer. Dang.
That thing just took off. Get the thing right here.
Yeah, right there. Show them what happened.
Rip my pants.
Oh, God.
I got any pants. Well, guys, that's the end of the video for today. We're gonna do a few things this truck. Hopefully, get it on the road for too long. It don't need too much. Just maybe a transmission.
That ain't much. God.
Last one he got needed a motor.
Yeah. But that was 2-wheel drive. This one's 4-wheel drive. So I think I got the better end of the deal. But like always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, like this video, comment, and we will catch you guys in the next one.
Yep.